造の前に破壊や。
Alright, let's see what we got here. There's a knife. Whole knife done disappeared. Anyway. Fancy, huh? One box. Get another box. All right. Make sure I got this in frame. Nice packaging. What we got here? Got a couple of stickers. Got that. Alright. This ain't bad looking. Got a lanyard. Domiworks Adapter. Alright, little box first. Stick that right there. Got the oil cooler adapter. See, already comes with the O-rings on there. Bolt to hold it in place. And main piece. Look at that. Turn it this way, try to read it. Cool. All right. What is in here? Jeez, look at this thing. I didn't even know it came with all of this. Guessing these are replacement bolts to hold everything in place. And another lanyard. And stickers. And here's what the plate looks like on the transmission. As you can see right here is where the starter goes. That's gonna have to get cut into. So I'm gonna have to get like a circular drill bit and cut that out so that the starter can go all the way in to about there. But basically that's what it looks like mounted to the transmission.
Enemy. We doing movies.